Which court handles land grabs cases? First, it's important to talk to a lawyer. They know the best options in your region. I know that losing your land or facing a land grab can feel completely overwhelming. The fear, the uncertainty, and the questions about what to do next. I've seen it all, and I understand how real this struggle is. I also know that you're stressed and may even be in a panic because of what you've heard from others. It doesn't sound good. Land grabbers can be aggressive, and you may fear for your life, your property, and your family. You might not know which way to turn. I'm not a lawyer, but I can assure you that I can help you in a totally different way, guiding you through the universal justice system, which works when you understand how to use it. Together, we can find a path to reclaiming your land and restoring your peace of mind. My name is Henry Collins. I'm 65 years old, and over my lifetime I have experienced many things. For more than 45 years, I have practiced the universal justice system, and I can say with absolute certainty that it works. I have tested it repeatedly, and I know without a doubt that justice will prevail when the correct steps are taken. The universal justice system was created by God. It is straightforward, clear, and effective, but only if you understand how it works. In my experience, it ensures that every action has a consequence. While achieving justice may take patience and strategy, I have personally seen families reclaim what was taken when they understood how to navigate the system properly. As we go on in this video, you will start to see what the universal justice system can do for you, and how it can restore what you have lost. Let's look to the problem at hand. The main challenge that most people face when dealing with land grabs, property disputes, or ancestral land rights knows exactly which court or authority to approach, and what steps to take first. Without this knowledge, many people act alone, approach the wrong offices, or follow advice that is incomplete. This often leads to delays, unnecessary complications, and sometimes even makes the situation worse. Land grabs are more than just legal problems. They affect your family, your future, and your sense of security. The fear and uncertainty can be overwhelming. Many people panic when they hear stories about aggressive land grabbers or corrupt processes, and in that panic, they make mistakes. Some try to confront the problem without documentation, while others follow advice from people who don't fully understand the legal or spiritual systems that govern land ownership and restitution. One of the biggest pitfalls is approaching the wrong court or authority. For example, civil courts handle certain types of property disputes, while high courts are required for more serious or complex land issues. Land claims tribunals may exist for ancestral or community claims. Knowing which authority is appropriate is critical, because taking the wrong route can waste time, resources, and even weaken your case. Another common misunderstanding is underestimating the importance of documentation and evidence. Title deeds, affidavits, historical records, and community testimonies are often essential for proving ownership or ancestral rights. Without these, even a strong case can be dismissed or delayed. The solution starts with knowledge, strategy, and patience. You can approach a lawyer while you also do the alternative steps while the law takes its time. While I'm not a lawyer, I can guide you through a different approach that works, one that has been tested successfully for over 45 years. It involves understanding the systems of justice, both legal and universal, so you can act confidently, protect yourself, and reclaim what is rightfully yours. By recognizing the challenges and avoiding common mistakes, you are already taking the first step toward resolution. In the next steps, I will show you how to identify the harmful actions or authority, gather the right evidence, and position yourself to reclaim your land effectively. Justice is possible, but only when you know the proper path to take, both the earthly legal way and then the universal justice manner. You address this issue on two different levels. One is the earthly manner, and the other is the unseen justice manner. The earthly legal system would take years and thousands of rand on lawyers' fees and court fees. If the court ruled in your favor and the occupiers must be evacuated, then you would have another problem. The police would just come up with the lame excuse that they do not have the manpower and resources to enforce the verdict. You will win the legal battle, but lost the evacuation process. The universal justice system will take about 4 months, and the financial expense would be only 300 rand. The time it would take you to deal with the issue by means of the universal justice system would take you only 10 minutes. I advise you to take both options by using a lawyer, and in your own time you can do the universal justice way. Now that you understand the challenges and common mistakes people face with land grabs and property disputes, it's time to take action. Following the right steps is the key to reclaiming your land, protecting your family, and restoring your peace of mind. Step 1. Subscribe to the channel. First, click the subscribe button and turn on notifications. This ensures you won't miss any of the step-by-step guidance we provide on land rights, ancestral protection, and navigating the justice systems. Every video is designed to give you practical advice you can use immediately. Step 2. Click the link to the domain page Next, check the description below and click the link. It will take you to a dedicated page on our domain where you'll find detailed instructions, resources, and tools to guide you through the process of reclaiming your land and protecting your rights. Step 3. Follow the step-by-step guide. On that page, you'll see a clear roadmap. Each step is explained so you can act confidently, avoid mistakes, and position yourself for success. Remember, taking these actions is not just a task. It's a vital part of your journey toward justice and restoration. By following these steps, you are taking control, and every action brings you closer to reclaiming what is rightfully yours. The information you will gain is not only applicable to land grab situations, but can also be used in many other challenges you may face in your life. Once you understand the principles of universal justice, it will transform your life and give you the knowledge and confidence that, no matter what happens, you will be able to act and protect yourself. This is your fight, but you don't have to do it alone. By taking these deliberate steps, you are not just reacting. You are taking control of the narrative and your destiny. You are restoring not just your land, but also your family's honor and security. This is the core principle of universal justice. Action restores control. If you found this guidance helpful and want to learn more about protecting your rights, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We will be sharing more in-depth strategies and stories of success. For detailed instructions and resources, visit our website. Thank you for watching. Together, we can stand for justice and protect our heritage.